So welcome to Edinburgh. Tonight, me and the wife are out for a bit of a date night. Valentine's Day is just around the corner. It's happening when Scotland play England. It's going to be really, really busy. But we've also been invited to a new venue that's just opened up in the city centre. But we're going to go in Wetherspoons just now and grab a drink. I've not been to Wetherspoons in a very long time. Cheers! Pink gin lemonade and a pint of Budweiser. $10.50 for 2 drinks in Wetherspoons. It's absolutely heaving in here. Everywhere else is quiet. Wetherspoons is busy. That's because it's cheap drink, after all. I want to know who decided to schedule a rugby match on the same day as Valentine's Day. You're not too happy about it?
I mean...
It's just another day. It is just another day. But who decided that Scotland match, a man, was... It's gave guys excuse. Sorry, can I take you out? I'm going to the rugby. We are heading to a new venue, entertainment venue, that's opening up in the city centre. It's called Kingpins. It's at Waverley, and we're going to check it out. Now, there are already a couple of venues like this already. You've got Lane 7, you've got Roxy Lanes, and I believe this is the same company as Roxy Lanes. So you've got 3 of these venues in the same close proximity. So we'll see what this place has got to offer. It's been years since I've walked into Waverley. Hiya. Hiya, pal, you alright?
Yeah, just you two?
Yeah, just us two.
There you go. So these are your drinks that take to the bar downstairs. It's on the right hand side of the bar. Also get yourself a drink over there. And then also we've got you an arcade card there. So everything upstairs is free apart from the other grabbers.
Yeah. Okay.
Everything else is downstairs. It's completely free. Just jump on, enjoy yourself, have fun.
Right. Is the bowling free as well to check out?
Everything's free.
Good.
Make
good.
them downstairs, all the games and stuff like that. So just upstairs is arcade. Bowling, darts, curling, golf, everything.
Okay.
So enjoy yourself.
Right, thank you. Cheers. What'd you get, Prosecco?
Would you like a Corona?
I want a Corona, please. Yeah, thank you.
Amazing.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Cheers. Thank you. Got a Corona. Free, obviously. I'm going to give my honest opinion though on this venue. We've got lots of arcade games, which is good. A bit of a date night, basically. Yeah, a free date night. Does it cost me a fortune, Kirsty? This date night doesn't cost me anything.
No.
No.
It's comped.
It's comped. Are we in Vegas?
No.
No, we're not in Vegas. But that's what happens in Vegas. If you win, you get comped.
Annie, 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 Annie.
Right, so we're playing bowling now. I've got a size 10 ball. I'm going to try and get a strike. Wish me luck. Nearly, that's a spare. Got one more try. Nah, cut. I've just came here for the free drink, just to be honest. We also get free food also. I don't know what kind of pizza it is, but it's got tomato in it. I think it's just cheese pizza. I mean, there's a lot of sauce on that. It's a deep pan pizza. It's alright for a snack. So it's me versus Kirsty at curling. That game is far too much effort.
Annie, 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 Annie.
How's your Valentine's date night going on?
Lovely.
Lovely. It's free. It's free. Didn't cost me anything, apart from one drink in Wetherspoons.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's quite a nice venue. Obviously this is a creator night, so that's why it's busy, everything's free. Won't be like this tomorrow. It opens on the 13th, Friday the 13th. Oh, Windsor, Friday the 13th. And it's at Waverley. It's at Waverley. So you've got Waverley Station, Waverley Bridge. It's basically right there. Go down the steps. You're basically right here on the left-hand side. It's a good location. There's two other places as well, quite close to each other. So yeah, it's just another entertainment venue here in Edinburgh. Let's get a couple of pictures. Not the best picture of me. I look better in real life. I'm in a wee bit of a debate with Kirsty, okay? She doesn't think this, I do. There's a weed sign on a Desperado bottle. It smells like weed. Am I just tripping? Or does that smell like weed? It does smell like weed. I'm telling you, that's a weed sign. There's a weed odour in that drink. 100%, 100%. Let me know in the comments what you think. Right, I'm going to try and win Kirsty a Highland cow. So, they're too heavy, man. They're very, very heavy. I'll get the ass. That might be alright. No, see, they're too heavy. Right, so we've left now. We're going to go to a bar for a wee drink. Quite a good venue, don't get me wrong. Never got to try out the golf, unfortunately. But maybe try that next time I'm in Edinburgh. But as you can see where we are, we've got the Balmoral right here, train station right here. So, and we've got Witherspoons right here. Look at the castle. Beautiful Edinburgh Castle tonight. Right, we're going to go for a drink in the Hebrides. It's empty in here, so let's give them some trade. I've got a mixed fruit and Kirsty's went old school with the Smirnoff Ice. So we've decided to head home. We've had a few drinks tonight. We're going home early. It wasn't that kind of night anyway. And Edinburgh's quiet, like really, really quiet just now. That place is busy because they're giving free drinks to everyone, but that's a great a night for you. I've enjoyed myself, and you enjoyed yourself? Yeah, good wee date night tonight, me and the wife. Obviously, great venue, Waverley. You know what I mean? It does need more, to be fair, so it might make it a wee bit busy now. It used to be the #1 shopping centre in Edinburgh, apart from St James. Yeah. It's went downhill. It's got a lot of food courts. It's got KFC, McDonald's, and you've obviously got the train station there. You've got a Witherspoons, so there's a lot to do. But it's just went downhill. Maybe this will perk it back up a bit. People can go and play, eat, shop, do what they want to do. It's in a good location. As I say, there's other places around. You've got Lane 7, you've got Roxy Lanes, which is the same partner place as well. It's the same company. They've just named it differently. A couple of different games between them all. But yeah, it's fine. But we're heading home now. I'm tired. I'm really, really tired. It was never meant to be a big night. So yeah, all I want to say is thanks for watching. Say bye, Kirsty.
Bye, Kirsty.
Bye guys, take care. Bye.